Are you looking for some inspiration for Valentine's Day, or maybe just a special occasion to treat yourself or someone you love? I am unboxing some beautiful pastel lab-grown diamond pieces in today's video, so stay tuned if you want to find out more. So hey guys, it's Becky and welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Just so you know, today's video is sponsored by Pascal, and we'll get a little bit into more about who they are and what they do in this video. So if you're curious to learn more, find out more about lab-grown diamonds and what they offer at really great prices, then stay tuned. So Pascal have sent me two of their goodies. I'm really looking forward to showing them to you. So last year was the year I was learning a lot about diamonds and lab-grown diamonds, and essentially discovering that they're basically kind of the same thing. However, lab-grown diamonds are a lot more affordable. So if you've ever dreamed of owning a diamond pair of earrings or a watch with diamonds on it, then lab-grown diamonds is a really great way to make it a little bit more affordable. I just want to start off by saying I do have a discount code. It's Becky Reynolds 20 if you want to get a discount on the already great prices over on Pascal. So what do I show you first? Do I show you the earrings? Do I show you the watch? Let's go with the earrings first. But first off, they did come in this gift box. I have worn green to match with their beautiful luxurious branding. So if you were gifting this to someone, it is really like high quality. It looks really luxurious and bougie like some other high-end brands. It's very similar to, so everything is in this beautiful emerald green. So let's go in with the earrings first. It comes in this absolutely gorgeous box. I just love how like the little details, like the gold outside, really beautiful. So let me show you. Here are the most beautiful pair of diamond earrings. They are absolutely gorgeous. You have got 3 round lab-grown diamonds on each earring, and having those 3 diamonds in one stud really does make the earring a lot bigger. So I have been having, I was having a little look at diamond earrings, and I really fancied getting myself a pair. So when Pascal reached out, I was not going to turn the offer down, and I'm really, really impressed. I was really shocked about the pricing of their earrings. Do have a look on their website for more details around pricing. But when you compare this to other diamond earrings, these are really good value, and don't forget you have that discount code on top. So yeah, these do look rather large for diamond earrings, and that's because of the design. So these do come out in like into a little stand if you want, and again I'll just show you a little close-up of the beautiful diamonds. Again, they will have more information on the website around cut and colour and carat and things like that, but these are very, very pretty, sparkly diamonds that really do catch the light. So they're very, very pretty. I can't wait to wear them on a special occasion. But yeah, they're really, really lovely. And I think if you are, there you go. If you are looking to get someone a Valentine's gift, like wowee, or if you are looking for like a special birthday treat, maybe it's a 50th, 60th, 40th, whatever if birthday, then yeah, could be a fantastic idea. And then up next is a watch. So Pascal have got so many different watches on the website. I went for this one I picked this out in December, hence the green. So I went for this beautiful like vintage style watch with the green wrist strap. I think I was feeling very festive and the branding definitely inspired me. I think this watch is gorgeous. It's very, very vintage inspired, and you do have the 2 diamonds here on the watch. So again, you get this beautiful box, very nice, again with the beautiful branding. It does come on a little pillow, so you can tuck your little watch into bed, and then it also has a little booklet, instructional booklet on setting the time, daily care, and just some information on there. And then it also does have an international limited warranty here. So that's really nice. So let's take a little closer look at the watch. So here is a closer look at the beautiful watch. It's got all the hallmarks and things on the back, and then the beautiful leather strap. I will also say that they do bigger watches as well for men, and also the straps are interchangeable. So if you do get bored of like the green strap, you can obviously change it out to black or brown or whatever you fancy. The thing that I really do appreciate though the most about the straps is they are big enough for my wrist. So I'm not worried about it not fitting. So if you're a little bit plus size like me, they do fit really nicely on the wrist, and I just love the kind of like vintage, almost like Hollywood glamour almost of the watch. It's really, really beautiful. And yeah, definitely like a really special piece to have. So yeah, don't forget, if you are maybe also looking for a gift for your man, they do also do watches that are bigger on the website as well. So a huge thank you to Pascal for sponsoring this video. What do you think of the watch and the earring, guys? Do let me know down below in the comments what you think. Also, if you have any questions, then do let me know and I will do my best to answer them. But also do go check out the website, where they've obviously got far much more information, as well as things like pricing. If you click the link in the description box or in the pinned comment, there is also the discount Becky Reynolds 20, where you will be able to get an even better deal on all the beautiful lab-grown diamond products they have, from earrings to watches. I think they've got even more options on the website as well, other jewelry pieces and things like that. So do check out the website down below. A huge thank you to them for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye!